Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on Suno. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will write the name of this application of Suno. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here in this page you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.